Good day everyone, I'm Hui. In this video, I'll be showing you this 1995 Malaysia 7 series 10 ringgit notes. Before I take a closer look at the notes, let's take a look at what the book can tell us. So for this 7 series 10 ringgit notes, it's issued around 1995 to 1998. And the bank negara governor at the time is Tan Sri Dato Ahmad bin Muhammad Dong. This is his signature on the banknotes. Now, the size of these banknotes is 131 mm times 71 mm. And there are two printers who print for these banknotes. One is printer Francois Oberthur, and the other one is Gieseeke and Devrient. Sorry if I pronounce it wrongly. All these prefix I will put at the video description, which you can check over there. I'll leave the book like this in case any of you want to check the price. However, please take note that the price here is just a guidance. It does not reflect the current market price. Price may go up and down depending on the market situation. Now if you need more time, you just need to pause the video. Now let's take a look at the notes. This is how the banknotes look like for the 7 series 10 ringgit notes. It should be this signature. I'm going to turn it around. Now here is the printer name for these notes. There are two types, so to check which type your banknotes is, you have to look over here. This one is from Francois Oberthur. It's a bit hard to pronounce this name. Overall design will be the same, even though there are two printers, just that probably the color is going to be a bit lighter, darker, but design is going to be the same. Alright guys, if you like what I do, don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel. And have a nice day everyone. Goodbye.